CFMoto is a Chinese motorcycle manufacturer that has dazzled the industry with its reasonably priced and high-performance motorcycles. With its NK collection of naked motorcycles in particular, CFMoto has established itself in Asia, Australia, and Europe by offering quality, big bike performance to the price-conscious market. Now CFMoto with its SR model series, has dabbled in the highly lucrative entry-level sport bike market. CFMoto have added a 450cc version of their SR Sportbike model to the range, based on the SR-C21 concept bike. CFMoto latest sportbike model, the 450SR, has already begun rolling out in the global market, more specifically in parts of Asia. The small and nimble sportbike packs quite an impressive array of tech, and certainly will give competitors such as the Yamaha YZF-R3 and KTM RC390 a tough fight. CFMoto is set to launch the sport bike in Europe by 2023, starting with Germany. The CFMoto 450SR is one of the most potent sub-500cc sport bikes in the market. Packing a 450cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft, it produces 50 horsepower in a burly V-twin characteristic. In Europe, A2 licensed bikes need to follow a set of parameters to be beginner-friendly. More specifically, power may not exceed 48 ponies, and weight needs to be at least 175 kilograms. With the 450SR's weight at 168 kilograms, chances are CFMoto will have to reduce even more power and torque from the engine. It's speculated that the 450SR in Eurospec will produce around 42 to 44 horsepower. Young riders looking for a potent sport bike will nevertheless get a high-tech machine out of the 450SR. It packs some thoroughly premium components such as a KYB inverted front fork, a preload adjustable rear monoshock, Brembo brake caliper, a full-color TFT display, and full LED lighting. CFMoto has yet to announce official pricing figures, however, in the Asian market, the 450SR retails for the equivalent of around $5,000. Some analysts predict the price for the CFMoto 450SR in European market will retail for around the €6,000 to €6,500 once it's debuted in 2023. Like and subscribe if you like this video.